Good evening. Oh, hi. So now, take a moment and imagine yourself as a designer of this cute cartoon character. And you want to make some extra money commercializing your design into different products. What would you do? Well, in the US, it's going to be easy, but in China, you have to go to one of these traditional manufacturers, and they needs to ask you to have this minimum order quantity. And not to mention, you need to have back and forth communication with them. So now it's time for a better opportunity.
Well, at Makeup Plus, we are an easy-to-use platform that empowers creative to design and print customized product online. Our solution is very simple. The designer can simply upload their design, give you a name, like AngelHack, and within one click, the designer can preview the demonstration of all the product printed with their own design. They can select the product they want. They can edit it. They can set their own price, select the product they want to sell. And before we actually producing it, the designer can start to generate a sales link and share it to their social media or to their client. In terms of how we select the product, we see this in two categories. Start with the basic. This should be really easy to customize, such as phone case or notebook. We then expand our product to the premium, looking for something that is unique, such as gift box for Christmas. Eventually, we are really an open platform, giving more options to our designers to collaborate.
Yes, so we test the market with the designers, and we're happy to find that Chinese designers now have so much originality and it wants to commercialize their design. So we further built partnership with HP and utilizing their local strong network to launch our first campaign. So in this campaign, we got over 120 designers to customize these mooncake boxes as personal gifts for a Chinese holiday. And within just 2 weeks and no marketing budget, we're able to achieve over 14K USD in sales and 25% of gross profit margin. So what's next?
Well, we're looking for 200K to support our 15 months of operation. We expect to launch 50 plus, to expand our product SKU to 50 plus, attracting 10,000 designers. And most importantly, we will continue to improve and optimize our platform so that our creative can purely focus on their design and let their talent get rewarded. We have an experienced team of 6 dedicated to make this happen. And my name is Joe. This is Joy. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you.
Could you speak to the supply side of the business? How are you thinking about fulfilling the orders?
You mean how do we produce the stuff, right?
Correct.
So first we start to standardize the product. And then in China, we build a partnership with Hewlett-Packard and to gather the designer's small quantity order, and then we become actually like packaging the orders. And then we send it directly through our automation system to the factory, from design to the factory.
So the whole process is going to be fully automated. Okay, so HP, it's digital printing supplier. So what they do in China actually now is they have a lot of printing partners using their machines, but the machines are like kind of idle because there's no demand to fulfill it. So what we're trying to do is we create that market of customization demand to fulfill that, to occupy the machine, to keep it busy. So that's why HP partnered with us. And also, it's their technologies, you were right, but what we do is, kind of really good match with them. So we see a really good opportunity there.
Are you guys planning to attract your own customers, or are you going to be listing on Alibaba and all these other potential sites out there?
We start by building a WeChat mini app to actually attract designers, not the final customers. So we allow the designer to upload their design, and then they can actually generate a sales link and then share it to their fan base, actually inside the social medias. Yeah.
Yeah, and just want to add on, the social sales in China is very big. So WeChat has its own stores. Thank you.
Thank you.